good? Welcome to the random trip.
Oh, camera's live. We're live.
Live, always live.
We're live.
Let's pick up number 1 off to number 2.
Let's do it to it.
You look good behind the camera. Look good. You should start recording more.
My guy's photogenic.
How's that light though on my face? Pretty good, huh?
Fire.
Yeah.
It makes it super soft.
Got that good stuff.
It's so, yeah, definitely super soft.
I'm like, throw it in 120 and hit that like. Easy, right? Yeah. I brought this because I was like, yo, we're gonna be there so early. Like, we need this.
Middle of the day.
I don't even know what ND filter I have on here. Yeah, I got to change this ND filter real quick. He said, I'm getting it all. It's funny, right? That's our barber.
Yeah.
The Barbski.
Get that fresh cut.
Dude, I haven't, dude, you see my hair? It's so bad.
That's why I'm wearing a hat. Shit.
Turn it all around your head.
It's quarantine season.
There it is. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here in the middle of the desert during quarantine COVID because life sucks being at home, and it's actually really nice out. I should have brought a short sleeve shirt. Other thing is, I really have to pee, so.
Me too.
That coffee was not the best idea because we are out in the no pee zone on a reservation. You gotta get that calibration.
The calibration dance.
Always. You know it doesn't work first try, ever. We got it. Alright, I'm driving. You're flying.
Alright.
You wanna lift her off?
Works the same way as mine.
Yep. Hopefully he doesn't crash mine like he crashed his. I'm kidding. Everybody in the car!
Don't wish that upon me, bro.
That's how you get those good shots, you know?
Right.
Always about the good shots.
Alright, make sure I'm like decently high up, but not too high up. Alright, I see our car. Yes, sir. Just slow down a little bit.
I got you. Oh, watch out for these power lines ahead of us, please.
Alright, I'm like way up.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna pull over here. I'm gonna go underneath this tree, and I want you to go ahead and fly towards those things. Like, get some shot of that.
Alright, it's not moving forward, but it's going up and down. It's kind of strange.
It's doing this.
Hell yeah.
We're good.
Hell yeah. I said I didn't really look. I kind of trusted you.
I thought it was good
But
to
I
go.
had the car in frame the whole time. It wasn't necessarily smooth the whole time. We can check it out.
Oh, dude.
You feel me?
Dude.
Wow. Got it.
It's good
Got
stuff.
what we needed.
Man Lee on the fucking drone.
I'm trying, bro.
There we go.
Woo-wee.
All right, go ahead and tell everybody who you are and what you do.
Bro, I'm so camera shy.
It's all good.
Hey YouTube, I'm Look at Lee. That's my Instagram. My name's Lior. I'm a freelance photographer here in New Mexico. I mainly shoot cars and models. I'm also kind of a cinematographer, also freelance. Mainly do cars. I'm trying to expand though. It's a lot of fun. We're out here right now in Jemez. We're just enjoying nature, kind of getting out of our creative bubbles, and we're just gonna have some fun today.
All right. Lee and I met at a car meet like last year. And then after COVID happened, car meets stopped going on. But yeah, meet people at these places and then getting out and collabing with them. It's a fun time.
Hola.
How was that makeshift bathroom?
It was, I got some stickers in my shoe.
We made it, bro.
We're
We
up.
made it.
We're here.
We made it.
We are here.
Let's do this. You guys, this is, woo, what do we think about the spot?
It's fire.
Fire.
So fire.
I've been in your waters.
side, move to the side. Boy, that...
He was moving.
He
man.
was moving.
He was moving.
Yeah, that was almost it. Holy cow, check this out.
We're just
Working.
Bet. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Okay, we're good to go.
bring it down a little. Ooh.
Right now, they're taking photos of me and my equipment because it's not a true photo shoot unless you get a photo of you taking a photo of a photo being taken.
That's right.
That's how it goes. Bingo, we good?
Honey.
But you're trying to get it going, right?
Is it recording already?
No, I'll get recording.
Or if the DSLR you can. I thought it wouldn't show on the screen.
Alright, so just go from that side to this side a couple times. Drag it up there real quick. Alright, so what's gonna happen is
Don't want to fuck the Ray-Bans.
Reyes is gonna drive. Lee is gonna sit
Back of the trunk. Yep.
How you feeling, Lee?
Oh, hello.
on stuff. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's do
Came
it.
up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check. I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror. I know they doubted my thesis, but they doubted Jesus, and right now I'm making it clear. Clearly these people don't know where they going, and lately I feel like the man with the map. I got this shit out the mud, you could give me the word and I'll probably give it right back.
I wasn't on a full charge.
Alright YouTube, that's gonna wrap this up. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. I'm trying to get this channel to at least 1,000 so that I can be inspired to take it up to 1,000,000. If I could get there, I don't know. But also leave a comment, tell me what you'd like to see. If I can give you a tutorial of any kind, I would love to help you. Just let me know and we got you. Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
That's a wrap?
It's a wrap.
That's a wrap?
That's a wrap.
Let's go.
We got her done.
Spilling pieces of a poet